guys haven't seen my part 1, go check it out right now. That's a really cool video. And since, as everybody knows, Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so I heard that there are Valentine's Day like little chocolates in there, so I'm really excited. So come on, let's go. Alright guys, so now we are in the store and we are gonna check out what there is. So come on. Alright guys, so here at the Angell Phelps, everything is Valentine's Day themed, which is so cool. So let's go check out some of the things. Look guys, everything is from my previous video. Go check out the first one I made, the non-Valentine's Day themed. That video was really fun, and so is this one. Oh my gosh guys, these Valentine's Day chocolates are so cute. I love them. I'm so glad we came. Guys, I also noticed that a lot of things here match my shirt. Everything is pink and red, which is so cute. So cute. Alright you guys, so we got our little goodies, and thank you guys so much for watching me visit the Angell Phelps Chocolate Factory for the second time. So yeah guys, I really hope you have a good Valentine's Day and take care. Bye!